Thank you for purchasing the Janome Memory Craft 11,000 Embroidery Sewing Machine. The Memory Craft 11,000 incorporates such distinctive features as direct PC linkage capability, a worldwide auto voltage power system, a built-in embroidery carriage, a fully automatic needle threader, automatic thread cutter, up-down visual touchscreen, ATA PC card compatibility, software upgrade capability, and much more. We're sure you'll be glad you chose the Memory Craft 11,000, and it will give you many years of satisfaction. The Memory Craft 11,000 is equipped with an auto voltage system, which automatically adjusts the equipment to any local power supply voltage from 100 to 240 volts. First, turn the power switch to off, and then insert the foot control plug and the power cord into the machine. Insert the power supply plug into the power outlet and turn the power switch on. Use the additional spool pin when you need to wind the bobbin without unthreading the machine while working on a sewing project. Insert the additional spool pin into the spool stand and then into the hole beside the horizontal spool pin. Place the felt on the spool pin Set the spool of thread on the spool pin like this and secure it with the spool holder. Pull the thread from the spool, pass it through the thread guide, and then under the tension disc. Pass the thread through the hole in the bobbin and put it on the bobbin winder spindle. Push the bobbin winder stopper to the left and press the bobbin winding button. Press the bobbin winding button again to stop the bobbin when it has wound several layers, and cut the thread close to the hole in the bobbin. Press the bobbin winding button again. When the bobbin is fully wound, the machine will stop automatically. Remove the bobbin and cut the thread with the thread cutter. Turn the power switch off. Place the bobbin in the bobbin holder with the thread running off counterclockwise. Guide the thread into the front notch A on the bobbin holder. Draw the thread to the left, sliding it between the tension spring blades. Continue to draw the thread lightly until the thread slips into the side notch B. Pull out about 10 centimeters or 4 inches of thread to the back and attach the hook cover plate. Turn the power switch on and raise the presser foot and the needle. Turn the power switch off and draw the thread from the spool. Pass the thread under the thread guide plate and pull it down along the right channel. Pull the thread up around the guide plate and along the left channel. Slip the thread into the eye of the take-up lever and pull it down along the left channel. Pass the thread through the thread guides under the faceplate and needle clamp. Turn the power switch on and press the up-down needle button twice to raise the needle. Lower the presser foot. Press the auto needle threader button and the automatic needle threader lowers automatically. Pull the thread down around the thread guide and under the hook of the needle threader. Draw the thread to the left through the slit of the threader and cut the thread with the thread cutter. Press the auto threader button again and the thread is pulled through the needle eye. Draw the thread end out through the needle eye. While the presser foot is in the up position, hold the needle thread with your finger and press the up-down needle button twice. Pull the needle thread to lift the loop of the bobbin thread. Slide 10 centimeters or 4 inches of both threads to the back under the presser foot. Press the Quick Reference tab to open the menu page. You can select the desired pattern quickly from the 5 pages of Quick Reference. Press the Page key to view the desired page. Press the desired list and the pattern selection window will open. Press the Pattern key to select your desired stitch. The Memory Craft 11000 is programmed to optimize stitch length and width as well as tension for the selected pattern, but you can adjust them to suit your specific sewing needs. Press the Adjust key. You can adjust the zigzag width, stitch length, elongation ratio, and thread tension by pressing the plus or minus key. After adjusting the settings, press OK key to register your settings and return to the previous screen. When you press the default key, the settings will return to their factory set values. Press the Program key so you can program the pattern combination. Select Pattern S10 and Pattern S5. The patterns will be programmed. Press the Mirror Image key and select Pattern S10. A mirror image of the pattern will be programmed. Select the Auto Lock stitch to program it. The machine will sew the pattern combination, lock off the stitches at the end, and then stop automatically. Press the thread cutter button and the machine will trim the threads. If you have selected auto thread cutting in the ordinary sewing setting mode, the machine will automatically trim the threads after the auto lock stitch. There is no need to press the thread cutter button. Turn the power switch on. Press the Screen Up-Down button to raise the visual touchscreen for easy operation. Press down and hold the carriage release lever and swing out the carriage arm until it is fully extended. Press the Embroidery Mode key. The visual touchscreen will show a warning message. Press the OK key. The carriage will move to the position for setting the hoop. Attach the embroidery hoop to the carriage, inserting the pins on the hoop into the holes. Turn the knob clockwise to secure the hoop. You can select the desired embroidery pattern from the Quick Reference. Press the Quick Reference tab and the menu page will open. In the Quick Reference, the patterns are categorized by their hoop size. Press the Page key to view the desired page. Press the desired list and the pattern selection window will open. Press the Pattern key to select your desired embroidery design. When you press the Open File key, the Open File window will appear. You can open the file to sew the embroidery designs from various sources. Select the location of the file directory, either in the internal memory of the machine or in a PC card, USB memory key, CD, or PC connected to the machine. You can purchase PC cards and USB memory keys from wherever you buy computer supplies. The CD-ROM drive for the MemoryCraft 11000 is available from your Janome dealer. Press the folder icon to open the folder containing your desired file. The file list will be displayed. Press the desired file icon and the screen will show the embroidery window of the saved design. In the editing mode, you can edit and combine designs to create your own original embroidery. Press the Editing Mode key to open the editing window. You need to select the appropriate hoop before editing the designs. Press the Hoop Selection key and select the hoop you wish to use. You can open the built-in designs, monograms, and designs from the optional PC cards, CD-ROM drive, USB memory key, or PC in the editing window. Select the source of the design you wish to open. Select the desired pattern in the Pattern Selection window. The screen will return to the editing window with the selected pattern displayed in the window. Press the Layout keys to move the design in the editing window, or drag and drop the design with a stylus.